Come test drive this 2009 BMW M3. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 30,000 miles. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and remote keyless entry. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.